Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Did you know there's a new affiliate marketing trend putting money in people's pocket? Right now, there's a big change in how people do affiliate marketing. What's the big idea? It's simple. Connecting an opt-in page that captures leads directly to a high-ticket affiliate offer. But you know, as we do, there's more to this story, a deeper layer of strategy, finesse, and insight required to truly capitalize on these high-ticket offers. That's why we made High Ticket Profit Snatcher. It teaches you how to use this system, understand it deeply, and make it really work for you. With 12 training modules, you'll learn all the secrets to get huge commissions. We don't just scratch the surface. We dive into the heart of effective, profitable digital sales strategies, turning potential into profit. It's not just quick tips. We teach you everything. Here, you'll discover the secrets behind selecting irresistible high-ticket offers, crafting lead pages that convert, and strategies that defy the norm. Our training isn't complicated. It's a step-by-step guide. Every part, every lesson helps you go from wanting to make money to really making it. Imagine the thrill of not just participating in a trend, but optimizing it, maximizing it. High Ticket Profit Snatcher makes it easy for beginners to top experts. You don't just get advice, you get a full plan that can make you more than $25,000 per month by just selling high-priced products. And as you know by now, with high-ticket commissions, the rewards are huge. High Ticket Profit Snatcher is your golden key to unlock those hefty paydays with ease. But you need to hurry because this special offer is limited. Time is ticking. Hesitate, and you'll kick yourself later when the price goes up. So click below, grab it, set up, and let's get you high-ticket sales on complete automation. Ready, set, snatch.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.